I'm going to show you how to use this round brush to get a salon blowout at home. First, I start with the detangler right out of the shower while my hair is damp. I use my hands to kind of make sure it's blended all in my hair. Then I brush it thoroughly, make sure all the tangles are out. I have so much hair, so my hair would never brush like this if I did not use a detangler. One thing I like about the detangler is that it doesn't have a really strong fragrance, and it does work well getting the tangles out. I like to start with the front piece to get a nice fluffy bounce right around the face. I place the brush right at the base of the root and I turn it on. I started right out of the shower, so my hair is a little bit more than damp, and I don't really recommend that. I would wait until it's a little less wet. But if you do start when your hair is damp like mine, then you just have to brush it through a couple times to really make sure that piece is dry. After that front piece is dry, then I take the side piece in the front, again, just to frame my face. One thing that I love about this brush is that it does not tangle like a typical round brush. If you were to watch me use a round brush, my hair would be in tangles by now. This brush is really easy to use, and my hair has never been tangled by using this brush. So after you get those front pieces done, then you just start working your way back, and I like to use a clip to hold the wet hair in the back. Again, just make sure you're holding the base for a few seconds with every single piece. Also, make sure that you're using the brush on all sides of your hair. Go different directions, use it on the top, use it on the bottom. Make sure all sides of that piece of hair is dry. Only a few more pieces to go in the very back. After I'm done drying every single piece, I like to just run the brush all through my hair. Just make sure everything is dry, and that's it, a salon blowout at home. I do have a ton of hair, and this took me about 10 minutes start to finish.